This is the coolest little robot. I have it scheduled to clean this room every day, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at a specific time. And it vacuums and it mops and it turns on its little headlight when it needs to see, when it doesn't have enough light. It's super cute. It goes back to the base and cleans the mop pads between cleanings. And there are two containers on the base. One is for clean water, one is for dirty water. And you just dump those as needed. And that's really the only thing that you need to do. And then you'll just have clean floors all the time. This thing is a lot of money, but it is worth it in my opinion, because once you have a clean floor, it just stays clean. Hello, little guy. Also, the sound is much quieter. We have a Roomba as well for vacuuming only, of course, and it's very loud. This isn't very loud. I could easily still watch television while this thing is running around. It's very careful about not hitting furniture. The other one likes to run into furniture. And there's also a setting, if you prefer it to actually clean around the furniture, where you actually have it clean the furniture legs too. But I don't have that turned on. It maps your home, and then you are able to rename the rooms or use their presets to set up your house map the way that you want it. And then you can schedule each room different times, different dates, as often as you want to. Make all kind of custom programs for that. It also has settings for deep cleaning. And it also detects carpet, and you can set it to just vacuum the carpet or ignore the carpet. I also have my program today set for vacuuming the carpet first and then coming back and mopping the floor after. Because when you set it that way, it goes ahead and leaves the mop pads on the base and comes and vacuums without the mop pads on there. It's really cool. It's very smart. I don't have anything negative to say about this little guy. Thanks for all your work, little dude.